If you're choosing between IINA, Elmedia Player, and VLC, this isn't just media player versus media player. It's modern macOS design versus premium features versus universal compatibility. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. IINA is built specifically for macOS. It offers a clean interface, excellent performance, picture-in-picture, and supports nearly every video format through MPV. That makes it a favorite for Mac users who want a modern, lightweight player. But here's the catch. It doesn't include as many streaming features as Elmedia. Elmedia Player takes a different approach. It adds AirPlay, Chromecast, DLNA streaming, subtitle downloading, and advanced playback controls. That makes it ideal for users who frequently stream videos to other devices. The downside is that many of its best features require the Pro version. VLC Media Player focuses on compatibility above everything else. It's free, open source, works across every major platform, and can play almost any media file you throw at it. The downside is that its interface feels dated compared to IINA and Elmedia. So which one is better? Choose IINA if you want a modern, free media player design for macOS. Choose Elmedia Player if you want advanced streaming features and premium playback controls. Choose VLC if you want maximum compatibility across all devices and operating systems. Bottom line, IINA is the best choice for most Mac users because it combines speed, simplicity, and a native macOS experience. But if you regularly stream media, Elmedia is worth the upgrade, while VLC remains the safest all-around player for any platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.